humanity?
People are sometimes so self-centered that we always think about what's best for us. But have we ever think about what's best for humanity? If we were to consider all the decisions that we are making, then we are also considering the actions that we're doing. It's high time that we protect the earth by protecting each other. And by doing so, we are protecting the future generation.
How would you utilize the platform of Miss Philippines Earth to make a positive impact in the community?
For 25 years, Miss Philippines Earth has been at the forefront of environmentalism. If I am to become a queen of Miss Philippines Earth organization, I would like to evoke eco-consciousness to the youth, make smart innovations and inclusive investments in the Philippines for us to be able to move forward. Because I'd like to prove that we are not just the women of the earth, we are also women of the future. Thank you.